So this we found y square is equal to 4 into minus 2 into x. It will become y square is equal to minus 8x. This is the equation of the parabola who is over there on the negative side of the x-axis. So in this way we will find the equations when the vertex and the one point was given, or when the vertex and the focus is given. So we may use this equation. Okay. Now the equation will be given. We will find the, we have to find from question number 15 in exercise 15 to 30. Find the coordinates of the focus and the equation of the directrix in each exercise and sketch. So from question number 15 up to 30, equation is given. We will find the focus as well as the equation of the directrix. Question number 15, x square is equal to 8y. X square is equal to 8y. So x square, that means the x square is equal to 8y. It means the axis of symmetry will be on the y-axis. Axis of symmetry along the y-axis. It is x square. I told you the four equations. Y square is equal to plus minus 4px, and x square is equal to plus minus 4py. When it is 4py, it means the axis of symmetry will be along the y-axis. Axis of symmetry will be along the y-axis. So, and there is x square, and y is also, there is nothing. It means this is x minus 0 whole square, and it is 8 into y minus 0. So these are the coordinates of the vertices. Vertex 0 and 0. Now we'll find the value of p. This is x square, sorry, 4p. This is x square is equal to 4py, and here x square is equal to 8y. That means 4p is equal to 8.
Excuse me.
4p is equal to,
Excuse me, sir.
जी कहिए, बोलो बेटा.
सर ये x माइनस 0 और सर ये x माइनस 0 कैसे आया सर?
एक्स स्क्वायर का मतलब x माइनस 0 स्क्वायर. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि इक्वेशन कैसे होती है. y माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4p इंटू एक्स माइनस 0, या x माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4p इंटू y माइनस 0. तो मैंने बताया था आपको कि वे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द
जी सर
वर्टिसेस होते हैं. तो ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द वर्टिसेस हैं. अगर इसके साथ कुछ नहीं है, ये एक्स स्क्वायर
वर्टिसेस, जी सर,
तो 0 है. तो दैट मींस 0. y के साथ भी कुछ नहीं है.
जी सर, जी सर.
ठीक है. तो ये हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर 4p है, और इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो 4p इज इक्वल टू 8. 4p इज इक्वल टू 8. तो p विल बी इक्वल टू 8 अपॉन 4 द 2. p की वैल्यू हमारे पास 2 आ गई. द वैल्यू ऑफ p इज 2. So this will be the equation. The vertices will be 0 0, and it is on the along the y-axis. This is the vertices 0 0. ये origin इसका vertices है. These are the vertices, and this is positive side. So there, that will be over there. इस किस्म का होगा क्योंकि y-axis. I told you when this is x square is equal to something y. So it will be the y will be the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry will be y axis. और अगर यहाँ y square होता और यहाँ 8x होता तो axis of symmetry will be on the x axis. तो ये हो गया हमारे पास. अब p की वैल्यू कितनी है? 2. तो p is the distance from the focus to the, this is the focus. p is the distance from focus to the vertex. तो कितना डिस्टेंस आया p? 2. P is the distance between the focus and the vertex. So that is equal to 2. So this distance is 2. Vertex to the focus is the distance 2. So फोकस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएंगे, x तो 0 होगा, यहाँ x क्या होगा 0 होगा, और y क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक का 2. सो फोकस विल बी इक्वल टू 0,2. और अगर ये माइनस आता तो यहाँ पर फोकस बनता. अगर ये माइनस की वैल्यू होती -8y, so 4p is equal to -8, p will be equal to -2, so that will be focus will be over there. तो ये इस तरह बनता. फिर ये इस तरह हमारे पास बनना था पैराबोला, अगर यहाँ फोकस होता था. अब हमने डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, इक्वेशन ऑफ द डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है 2. तो डायरेक्ट्रिक्स विल बी ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द वर्टेक्स 2. यहाँ पर -2 हो जाएगा, नीचे जा रहा है, ये x है, ये y है, -2 हो जाएगा. So that will be the equation of the directrix. So y will be equal to -2. Equation of directrix, y is equal to, ये y equal to -2. This distance is y. On the y -2 क्या है, y पर distance है, x पर नहीं है. This is distance on the y. Y is equal to -2 और y plus 2 equal to 0. यूं भी लिख सकते हैं, यूं भी लिख सकते हैं. Both are the correct answer. So this is the equation of the directrix. Y is equal to -2 this distance. और ये हमने स्केच भी कर दिया. स्केच उसने कहा था एंड स्केच, तो स्केच भी हो गया हमारे पास. वर्टेक्स में हमने 0 0 पहले लिखे, फिर हमने p की वैल्यू निकाली 2. तो 2 विल बी पॉजिटिव 2 है, तो अपोजिट साइड होगा, वर्टेक्स के पॉजिटिव साइड पे होगा, और डायरेक्ट्रिक्स नेगेटिव साइड पे होगी. अगर ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइड पे हो, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स पॉजिटिव साइड पे, अपोजिट वर्टेक्स की होती है डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, ऑलवेज बी अपोजिट टू द वर्टेक्स. So this is the focus. This is the equation of the directrix. X is y equal to -2 और y plus 2 equal to 0. दोनों में से कोई भी एक आप लिख सकते हैं. Both are correct. सैयद अम्मारुख सहरा 61363.
जी सर, डन.
61363. Mark Zahra. Okay. So in this way, when the equation is given, we will find the focus and the equation of the directrix. Here is another question. Question number 23. X square minus 4y equal to 0. X square, question number 23. X square minus 4y equal to 0. इसको हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में, we will convert into the standard form. It will become x square equal to 4y. That means the vertices will be 0. Vertex will be 0. Vertex will be, because x square means x minus 0 whole square, and y means y minus 0. Vertex will be at the origin. Vertex will be at the origin. Now 4p is equal to 4. P will be equal to 1. 4p is equal to 4. So this is 4p. The coefficient of y or the x, if it is y square is equal to 4x, then the coefficient of x will be 4p and p will be 1. And y, x square is equal to 4y, that means y will be the axis of symmetry, or the transverse axis is y. So ये इस किस्म की equation that will be of this type. Origin vertex यहाँ होगा. अब ये पॉजिटिव 4y है, p इज पॉजिटिव है, So P will be from vertex to up to here. पॉजिटिव है तो ये अप साइड पे जाएगा, नेगेटिव होता है ये P, दैट विल बी डाउनवर्ड. सो देयर विल बी फोकस. क्या हो जाएगा, x यहाँ पर 0 है और y क्या होगा, 1 होगा. एंड दिस विल बी द पैराबोला. And the direction, this is 1, P is 1, this is the distance from vertex to the focus. और ये नीचे की तरफ वो होगा, अगर दिस डिस्टेंस इज 1 है तो ये नीचे की तरफ उतना -1 होगा, यहाँ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स हो जाएगी. डायरेक्ट्रिक्स विल पास थ्रू दिस पॉइंट. ये पॉइंट क्या है, 0 -1. सो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी हमारे पास, y इज इक्वल टू -1. इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, सॉरी, फर्स्ट विल राइट द फोकस. फोकस विल बी x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा, यहाँ y कोऑर्डिनेट 1 हो जाएगा, 0,1. एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ द डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज y इक्वल टू -1 और y प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. तो ये भी लिख सकते हैं, ये भी सही है, दोनों में से. और ये हमारे पास फोकस हो गया. दिस इज द फोकस 0,1 and this is the equation of the directrix, y plus 1 equal to 0. Next question, question number 28. 2x square, sorry, question number 29. 3y square question number 29. 3y square plus 2x equal to 0. 3y square plus 2x equal to 0. Plus 2x equal to 0. We will convert into the standard form. So 3y square will become minus 2x. Then divide by 3. Y square is equal to minus 2 upon 3x. This is the standard equation. This is the standard equation. If we compare it with 4p, therefore vertex is origin. यहाँ पे 0 होगा, यहाँ पे 0 होगा. Vertex will be at origin. And this is the value of 4p. 4p is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So p will be equal to minus 2 upon 3 divided by 4. So 4 यहाँ जाएगा 1 upon 4. So p will become minus 1 upon 6. P will become minus 1 upon 6. So equation, this is the standard equation. So axis of the parabola, that means the transverse axis or the axis of symmetry will be along the x-axis. कहाँ होगा? X-axis पर होगा. It will be on that side. Here is the x-axis. Here is the y-axis. Vertex. This is the vertex origin. V. P is minus 1 upon 6. This is along x-axis. X-axis पर होगा इस पर. This is the line of symmetry. So it may be over there or it may be over there. Because P is minus 1 upon 6. So here, minus 1 upon 6. This will be the focus. This distance will be minus 1 upon 6. From vertex to the focus will be the distance, will be the value of P. So minus 1 upon 6 is the distance from F to V. This is the V, vertex. I am writing it. Origin. यहां से यहां तक का डिस्टेंस जो है -1/6. अगर यहां होता तो +1/6 होता. So that means it will pass through this one. So this distance -1/6 है और y यहाँ क्या होगा 0. It is on the x-axis only. So focus will be equal to -1/6, 0. So focus or f -1/6, 0. Now equation of the directrix. Directrix will be on the opposite side. This distance is -1/6, so it will be over there. +1/6 distance. This will be the directrix. Directrix is a line which is equidistant from the parabola and from the focus. So 1/6. So equation will be, this is the distance of x on the x-axis. So x is equal to 1/6. So equation of directrix, x is equal to 1/6 or x is equal to x minus 1/6 equal to 0. If we multiply by 6, it will become 6x minus 1 equal to 0. You may write in this way, you may write in this way, or you may write in this way. All the three answers are correct. 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Ehsan Salman, Sayyid Haris Mazhar. So this is the way when the equation was given, first we convert into the standard form. This is the standard form. Y is equal to y square is equal to 4p plus minus 4px, or x square is equal to plus minus 4py. These are the standard form. So this is y square is equal to minus 4px. So this is the standard form. So that is equal to my. So it means the vertex is 0, 0. First of all, we found the vertex. Then we found the axis will be x-axis. Axis will be x-axis. Transverse axis or the axis of symmetry is x-axis. So x-axis पर हमने focus इसका बनाना होगा. Then we'll take, this is 4p is equal to minus 2/3. So p is equal to minus 1/6. So focus will be equal to minus 1 upon, it is on the x-axis, so therefore x coordinate will be minus 1/6, 0. From vertex to this distance, this is the distance p between focus and the vertex. Umar Abdullah, 63292. Okay. So this is the way how to solve the question, how to find the focus and the equation of the directrix. Y square is equal to 2ax. Question number 30. Y square is equal to 2ax. Question number 30. So that will be vertex. This is in the standard form. This is in the standard form. So vertex at origin 4p to a, p will be equal to 2 upon 4a. So 1 upon 2a. Transverse axis along x-axis, therefore focus will be equal to 1 upon 2a comma 0. Equation of directrix, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2a or x plus 1 upon 2a equal to 0. ये इक्वेशन ऑफ द डायरेक्ट्रिक्स हो गई, ये फोकस हो गई. If it is positive 1 upon 2a, in the directrix it will be minus 1 upon 2. If it is negative, it will become positive. So this is the equation of directrix, and if you sketch it, अगर हम इसको sketch करें, if you sketch it, positive 1 upon 2a comma 0 यहाँ पर हो जाएगा. f 1 upon 2a comma 0. Focus. This is the vertex. Vertex origin. So this is the parabola. Or focus. Equation of the directrix will be on the other side. ये 1 upon 2a, so minus 1 upon 2a. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2a. This is the directrix. This is the directrix. In this way we have to do. Now our next topic is ellipse. Our next topic is ellipse. Anything do you want to ask in the parabola? If you want to ask anything, you please raise your hand. I will unmute you and you may ask anything. Quiz will start at 2:45 and you have to submit up to 3:50. You have to submit up to 3:50.
सर टॉपिक कौन कौन से सर?
टॉपिक
सर,
जो कुछ लास्ट
टॉपिक
टाइम
कौन कौन
तक
से
पढ़ा,
है?
जो कुछ लास्ट टाइम तक पढ़ा था हमने, लास्ट क्लास तक.
जी सर, ये भी आएगा,
ये नहीं
पैराबोला
आएगा.
भी आएगा.
नहीं, ये नहीं आएगा. मैं कह रहा हूँ लास्ट क्लास तक जो पढ़ा था, पैराबोला
जी
नहीं
सर,
आएगा
जी
बेटा.
सर, थैंक यू सर. जी सर, थैंक यू सर.
सर्कल तक आएगा.
जी सर.
आपने एलएमएस पर जो है वो देना है, वो पेपर आपको एलएमएस पे मिलेगा और वहीं पर सबमिट होगा इन पीडीएफ फॉर्म.
पीडीएफ फॉर्म सर. जी सर.
वहीं पर सबमिट होगा पीडीएफ फॉर्म. This is Asadullah Khan, 61348. Okay, now we are doing ellipse. Zishan Ahmed Khan, 63350. Okay. Ellipse is of this type shape. X-axis, y-axis. There. This is the shape of the ellipse. This is the shape of the ellipse. Rafi Rahman, 63338. It came after, I think, at the end of the second session. And Azim Bilal, 63654. So this is the shape of the ellipse. If it is along the x-axis, it will be in this way. When the transverse axis or this is called the major axis or the transverse axis along the x-axis, and it may be on this way. It may be in this way also. When the major axis along y-axis. Okay, these are the vertices. There are two vertices. In the ellipse, there are two vertices. In the parabola, there was only one vertex. In the parabola, there was only one vertex. And in the ellipse, there are two vertices. This one, this V, the other one is called V dash. There is the center in between them. At the mid of the V and V dash, this is the center. This is the center at origin. This is the center. There is focus. There are two focus foci. One is that, the other is F dash. Vertices are from here to here, the distance is A, comma 0. From center to the vertex, A, comma 0. From center to the other vertex, the same distance. This is positive A, that will be the negative A. V dash minus A, comma 0. Focus from center to C, focus, that is C, comma 0. And on this one, minus C, comma 0. F dash will be minus C, comma 0. Center will be at the mid of the foci or at the mid of the vertices. सेंटर से एक वर्टेक्स का फासला ए है तो दूसरे का भी उतना ही होगा. ऑन द अदर साइड दिस इज माइनस ए. इन द सेम वे द फोकस The distance from focus, this is C. So this is also minus C, the same distance from the center. So from one vertex to the other vertex is called the major axis. The distance from one vertex to the other vertex is called major axis. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance ये है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance ये है, so that will be equal to 2a. Major axis is equal to 2a. And इसका half क्या होगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance, that is called the semi major axis. Semi means half. Semi major axis is equal to a. Major axis double of the semi major axis. This one is called the, up to here the distance is called b. From center to this one is b, and this is minus b. So this is called the minor axis, from this up to here. Minor axis. To b. From here to here, this is the distance b, this is also the distance b, so 2b. And the semi minor axis is equal to b. Semi minor axis is b and the minor axis 2b. Major axis is 2a and semi major axis will be a. Foci are plus minus c comma 0. One will be plus c comma 0, one will be minus c comma 0. Foci is the plural of focus, as well as vertices are the plural of vertex, and the vertices plus minus a comma 0. This will be plus a comma 0, this will be minus a comma 0. This is plus c comma 0, this is minus c comma 0. These are the vertices, foci, semi major axis, semi minor axis. So these are the terminology. And what is the definition? Definition: the point P ellipse is a locus of all the points ellipse is a locus of all the points which are equidistant from two fixed points. The sum of the difference of the two distance will be the same. Sum of the two distance always be constant. इस तरह मूव कर रहा है कि ये डिस्टेंस, दिस डिस्टेंस प्लस दिस डिस्टेंस always be the sum of these two distance always remain constant. So this is the definition. For example, अगर हम we fix the two nails on a board, एक बोर्ड पर हम दो nails लगा दें, एक बोर्ड पर हमने दो nails लगा दी और एक बड़ा सा